Okay, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to see about data structures and its classification. First of all, we have to know about data, what is meant by data and structure. Data is nothing but values or set of values of a different data types like integer, float, character, string, etc. And second one is structure. A structure is nothing but way of organizing and storing information that it is used to use. The final conclusion is our data structure. Data structure is nothing but a way of organizing, storing, and retrieving data and their relationship with each other. Next one is the classification. Data structure can be classified into two types. The first one is the primitive data structure, and second one is the non-primitive data structures. In primitive data types, we have five types. First one is the integer, character, float, boolean, and string. In non-primitive data structure, we have two classification. First one is the linear, and second one is the non-linear data structures. Array, linked list, stack, queue, or comes under linear data structures. Tree and graph comes under non-linear data structures. Next is list. List is nothing but collection of elements. So the list can be represented in two ways. The first one is the array, and second one is the linked list. Next we going to see about array. So array is nothing but collection of elements of a same data type. Here I mentioned one example like a date integer space a of 50. So int is nothing but integer data type. Next one is a. So a is nothing but array variable. Next within the array we have to mention only 50 elements. That means array variables store only 50 elements. Suppose if we want to more than 50, we cannot find and we can't insert. Next is the operations. There are three operations. The first one is the insertion, second one is the deletion, and third one the search. This is the array example, integer space ARR of 6. In that array elements contain only 6 elements. Those elements can be represented in this form. That means a of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because array of elements support only positive index, does not support negative index. Next one is the issues in array. First issue is a fixed size. Resizing is expensive because it support only a it supports only a fixed size. We can't change. Suppose if we want to change the array location, means we need extra memory. We need extra memory. Next one is the linked list data structures. Linked list is a linear data structures. It contains multiple nodes. Each node contains two field. First one is the data field and second one is the pointer field. Data field contains data element to be stored. In pointer field contains address of next node. In that data is nothing but elements, and second one is the address points to the next node in the list, and the last pointer points to the null pointer. Last is the null pointer and first one is the head pointer. In this example multiple elements are stored like 17, 23, 55, 72, 14, 62. Each element depends on the next address. Next is types of linked list. There are three types. The first one is the singly linked list, and second one is the doubly linked list, and third one is the circular linked list. In singular linked list depends on the normal linked list because it contains two field. First one is the node and second one is the pointer. First field contains elements of list and second field contains address of next field, address of next field, and the last pointer points to the null. There are major operations. These are the major operations. And insertion we have to perform 3 operations. In deletion also we have to perform 3 operations. In insertion we can perform at the beginning, at the middle, at the end operations. In deletion we can also perform at the beginning, at the middle, and the end. Next one is the doubly linked list. Doubly linked list is nothing but it contains multiple elements, but it contains three nodes. First one is the three fields. First one is the backward link, and